What I'm doing in this room. There's a pride flag right next to the Confederate flag, right next to the Black Lives Matter framed photo, and right next to the Blue Lives Matter. I'm really confused. I don't know what to do. Help me.
Women are queens.
If she breathes, she's a thought.
I like men.
Teacher wasn't supposed to be a part of this law.
Don't take pictures in the bathroom? That's weird. What the? It's like a clown car in there.
We're making a TikTok, sir. Come on. We're making a TikTok. Hi, sir.
What do we got here? A citrus? Doesn't that hurt? Oh, it's food.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Damn, y'all depressed as fuck.
You didn't clap either.
Shut up.
Saying the first words that come to mind, part 2, because I don't feel like I did well the first time. Okay, what is the first letter? Girthy. Okay. Pelvis. Okay. Testicles. What? What's my problem? Octopus. That one was fine. Bitch. Why? Okay, bitch. Why? Let's go for another one. Dick. Okay. Okay. Vagina. Why? Okay. Loser. Why does that word come to mind? Continuing on. Sasquatch. I didn't swear on that one, so just be proud of me. Wine cellar. Okay, that wasn't creepy. Girth. Why? I hate myself right now. Uvula. What is wrong with me? Testicles. Why? Let's try to not do that anymore. Uvula. Why is that the word? I'm probably gonna post this tomorrow so that way it's not like one of these right after the other. Harold. Why? I don't even know anyone named Harold. Radio. Continuing on, I guess. Testicle. What? There's trees, there's trampolines, there's zebras, but I always gotta go with testicle. Why? Uvula. What? Why am I like this? Oh my god, xylophone. That was violent. Cactus. I don't understand why I said that so dramatically, but yams. Wait, it's not going. Okay, it's going. Gag. Why? I'm gonna start crying. Look at my enormous penis. Why did I do that? We're going again. Bitch. We have learned a lot about my subconscious today. Loins. What? Listen, I am as confused as you are. Uvula. Why?
Damn, these cookies about to be good as shit, bro. Alright, bro.
As a gay, I think this actually matters a lot. I'm fucking basic.
Let's see what I want. A friend. No, I want to be hit by a moving train and for this eternal suffering to end. And I wouldn't mind a coffee.
So I actually get this question a lot, and so I figured I'd just go ahead and address it. They are in fact real, but they're not mine. I took them from the orphan down the fucking street! No, they're not real!
I'm in love with the shape of you. I push it pull like a magnet too. I know my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. I know my face, she smiled like you. And it feels like there is something brand new. I'm in love with your body. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S.
Ow!
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Why did you bring a bucket in here?
I don't know. I thought I was gonna catch the baby.
What?
I thought your water broke.
You thought my water broke and you were gonna catch the baby.
Should I have grabbed the box?
Hi, welcome to Denny's. I don't work here. I have several bees in the place you would least expect them. Could a horse love a man? Should a horse love a man? I think I have a condition of some kind and I don't know which one.
Alexis Brookhoven, let me in this car.
No. What's
Why?
the password?
You say I love you?
No.
Abracadabra, open the door?
No.
Avita, can you be? Is that the password?
No, you have to twerk.
Did you like what you saw?